Hey everyone, Dan Sheeks here. This is just going to be a real quick video to show you what PlayPosit is if you're not actually sure what it is or what it does. So I'm in my Canvas account in student view, and we're going to look at one of the PlayPosits I had a couple weeks ago. So if you're a student and the teacher has assigned a PlayPosit, obviously you can title it whatever you want. They're going to click on that. This is an assignment. Click on that assignment, and in here there'll be some instructions, whatever you want to have. I just keep it really brief. Watch the video, answer the questions. 8 questions worth 3 points each. They click on the button to load the PlayPosit in a new window. Takes them to a new window, and then there's a video where they hit play. Now, we all have done PlayPosits as sometimes the district, I think at the beginning of each year, they do a PlayPosit for us around some of the HR policies, and we have to watch it and answer questions. So this is the same thing. So I hit play. For our benefit, I'm going to turn the volume down because we don't need to hear what I'm saying. But one cool feature is that if you allow students to, you can allow this setting or you can disallow it, but students can speed up the playback, which I do allow because I do that myself when I listen to different recordings or podcasts. So I'm just going to put it at 2 times speed so that this video gets to the first question quicker, and then we'll stop. But I'm going to mute the video. So as it's playing, this is going to show my video and whatever I'm saying. And in this case, it's some Google Slides. And eventually it'll get to a question. And so as you saw before, this video has 8 different questions embedded in here. The student cannot see where they're at. So they kind of have to listen because they don't know when the next question is going to pop up. Also, another cool thing is you can allow students to fast forward, but I did not allow that. So if I try to fast forward 10 seconds, it will say fast forwarding is disabled. So they can't fast forward and skip parts, but they can speed up the playback. And again, this is the options that I've chosen. You could do whatever you want. So the video has gotten to the first question, and it says, true or false, a lunchbox with a Disney character on it would be an example of a core product. So I answered this question with the correct answer, which is false. And it obviously, tells them that the answer is correct, and then they can continue playing the video, and then the next question will pop up. If they answer it incorrect, it will tell them that they answered incorrectly, and they can continue. Now, you can also put in the settings, you can allow them to have more than one attempt at a question. For me, whatever I do is if it's a true false, I allow them 1 attempt, because if they got it wrong and they did a second attempt, they would definitely get it right. But if it's a multiple choice, I will allow them to have 2 attempts at the question, just to give them a little extra try. And also, as they are answering questions correctly or incorrectly, the PlayPosit software keeps track of which questions they got right and how many points they have earned. Because I can assign points to each question. It can be 1 point. I think it goes maybe all the way up to 5 points per question. I typically do 3 points per question for every question. And so if I click continue, it's going to continue playing the video. Again, it's on mute right now. Otherwise, you'd be hearing my voice talk about these slides. So that's basically what PlayPosit is and what it looks like on the student end.